Hello, students. Today, you are going to create a project that culminates our unit on multi-tiered timelines and European explorers. So you're going to be assigned a partner, and you and your partner are going to show me that you can put events in order, that you can identify key facts from a source, and you can put them on the timeline, and again, put them in chronological order, and that you can create a multi-tiered timeline. So you and your partner are going to be assigned 2 explorers, and when you're going to read about those explorers, and then you're going to identify those key facts, and then you're going to have to line them up on a multi-tiered timeline. So here is an example. I have chosen Diaz and Vespucci, and my Vespucci facts are all in brown, and my Diaz facts are all in this dark gray. And so, but if you notice, my timeline is in chronological order: 1450. 1454 is on the other side, then 1480, 1487. So we have talked about multi-tiered timelines, we have learned about them, and now we are going to create one ourselves. So in order to make sure that you meet the expectations that I'm looking for in this project, that you can either do online, which I'm going to show you today, or you could do on paper, you're going to make sure that you can refer back to your rubric that we created together. So this is a rubric that we made sure that we went through my example, and then we decided what kinds of components we should be looking for something that exceeds expectation, meets expectations, approaches expectations, and still needs a little bit more instruction. So we're going to open up Canva for this project. So you're going to log into your account, and then this is going to be called an infographic. So we're going to click on infographic. All right. We have used this platform before, so feel free to use a blank space and add your elements, add a design or elements and text boxes. You may add that. This is not a creativity lesson. I do want it to be neat and orderly, and remember, it has to be in chronological order to meet our expectations regarding multi-tiered timelines, but you can also use a template. So over here, I see a template that I might like to use. This template looks great. I really like it, okay? It's clean, it's clear. It identifies multi-tiered, but it is missing a couple things, a couple components. So this timeline is not ready for me just to plug in. So look right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 facts for this explorer, and I have 4 facts on this side. So minimum, you should have 10 facts on your page. So 5 for each explorer. So I'm going to blow this up. Make sure this says timeline. So maybe I'm going to add a different title. Just like every timeline has to have a title, and all these components are individual, so they move. And remember, Canva does not check our spelling, so you're going to want to make sure that you peer review this, or have your peers review it with you. Okay, so I've added a title. I need to now add, it doesn't tell me who were my explorers, so I need to add this component. I'm going to add a text box, and I'm going to call it Explorer 1. Now, remember, for this, I can also take this. I really like what that looks like, and I'm going to duplicate it. So I'm going to put the Explorer here. Maybe I add it into this gray box, and I'm going to say here. So this is Explorer 1, this is Explorer 2, and I would put their names. All right. So we have those 2 components. Remember, this does not have enough facts. Okay, options. So again, I can duplicate this if I would like to put, you know, a pink fact for Explorer 1. Obviously, I would have to move all of these components. All right. The other thing that you could do is you can make these smaller, and you can also duplicate these. So I could make these smaller, and I could add as many facts as I wanted to, lining up this line, and then I would just adjust my components to go with it. Again, this is not, I'm not grading on your creativity, but I am grading on your neatness. So I don't want things that are overlapping, words that are overlapping, like we wouldn't want this here. See where this pink box says, this behind here. All right. So if you choose to use the online project-based, you know, to make your assessment or to make your project, you're going to make sure that you make it neat. Okay. So again, refer back to my example, refer back to your rubric so that you can be successful on this project today. All right. Have a good time with your partner. Have a great day. Bye.